Hello everyone, I am Hani Santosh Sankhe. I am from SAS Institute of Management Studies. Today I am going to start about PowerPoint presentation for perspective management. My topic name is TQM. So let's begin. What is a TQM? TQM is a total quality management. T stands for total, overall. Q means quality, fitness for purposes. M means management, work done through the other people to manage the work. TQM basic definition is it is a managing approach which involves all employees and customers for continuous improvement and implementation of the product for customer satisfaction. This is a TQM. TQM Total Quality Management TQQM or TQM are sweeping culture change effort to position a company for a greater customer satisfaction, profitability and competitiveness also. TQ may be defined as a managing the entire organization so that it is excel on all dimensions of the product and services that are important to the customer. We often think of features. When we think of the quality of a product, services, TQ is about conformations quality, not of features. TQM is basic principle is plan, do, work and act. So let's begin. Total quality is meeting our customer requirement, doing through right first time and freedom of failure means reduce the defective. Consistency, reduction in variation, continuous improvement, quality is everything we do. Next, implement of for a success. A belief in the employee ability to solve problem. A belief in that people doing the work are best able to improve it. A belief that everyone is responsible for a quality. Management support, mission statement, proper planning, customer and bottom line focus, measurement, empowerment, teamwork, effectiveness, meeting, continuous process improvement, dedicated resources, and leadership also. This is the principle of the TQM: management commitment, employee empowerment, fact-based decision making, continuous improvement, customer focus. Management commitment: plan, do, check and act. This is the best principle of the continuous improvement process. Plan means any error of product. That's who you are conducting the plan, schedule the plan, design modification and any error are found. Let then do, to work the plan at support, participate, deploy. Check means review the plan or a product for the right or wrong. Then act, all three things are doing. So act means action, we are take action to communicate, recognize and revise also, to making a new product for improve. So then employee empowerment, these are a training suggestion scheme for like a employee is the best driver of the product to like a past experience to suggest the improvement of the product. Then fact based decision making, these are a various tools to find out the error like statistification, histogram, check sheet, petro chart, etc. Continuous improvement, systematic measurement and focus on CONQ. CONQ means cost, cost of non-quality product, means of this cost associate the specific with the achievement and non-achievement of the product. Excellence team, cross-functional process management, attain maintain improvement standard. It is customer focus, supply partnership, service relationship with a internal customer, never compromise quality, customer driven standard. This is the focus of quality. TQM system. This is a chart. These are a objective and this is a principle. Continuous improvement is the objective, main objective, and these are a principle to improve the product and implementation of the product. Customer focus, total involvement, process improvement, like plan, do, act, and action also. Then benefits, advantages of total quality management. Improve quality of the product and services, eliminate quality defects and waste also. Increase customer satisfaction level, reduce cost of poor quality and process variation, higher the productivity and profitability, increase employee motivation and morale for increase the productivity and fulfillment the employee, fulfill environmental and other government compliance regulation, enhance market image along all interested parties, increase job security of employee, improve process to the product quality, product and services. These are an example of the TQM. Some of the company who have implemented TQM include Ford Motor Company, Philips Semiconductor, Motorola, and Toyota Motor Company. One of the most example of the TQM is Toyota Motor. They are implementing Kanban system to more efficient to make the assembly line. They are using the less inventory for fulfill the customer requirement and continuous improvement of the motor. There are three major mechanisms of prevention, preventing mistakes, defects from occurring mistakes, proofing or pokayoka. This is a Japanese word. There where mistake can't be absolutely prevented, detecting them early to prevent them being passed down the value added chain, inspection at source by the next operation. Where mistake recur, stopping production until the process can be corrected to prevent the production of the more defects. Stop in time. Thank you.